So to make these little gift bags, we're going to need a sheet of paper, some double-sided sticky tape and a hole punch. You could use glue instead of double-sided sticky tape, but I'm quite impatient, so I like the way that this is immediate stick. So to start with, just adjust my camera, we shall fold our paper into the middle so the two edges are overlapping. Find the end of our sticky tape. Take a piece the right length and stick that down. Next, we're going to take the bottom and fold it up. So we're going to fold it up about 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 inch. You have it like this. Next, we're going to push the two corners in. Oops. And crease them down. Now, fold that in just over this line here, so it overlaps slightly. Put a piece of tape on there. I love these for little gifts. I used to do market stalls and sell a lot of earrings because I also do macrame jewellery, and these are perfect for selling or gifting jewellery. Fold that one over the top of this one. So you've created a little fold there, and then when you put it down like this, you have a little neat bottom. You can leave it like this and fold it over, do a bit of tape on there and have it as just a little gift pouch. What I like to, I do it this way, you can see where the fold line is. I like to add 2 holes. So these are perfect for threading through a little string. Now you could make that into a little handle, so it's like a little gift bag that you can hang on the tree, or make a little bow. And you've just got yourself a cute little gift bag that's perfect for a pair of earrings or some jewellery or a bracelet or anything little that you want to gift, and just wrap it a little bit differently. So easy and really, really cute. And like I said, great for market stalls as well. I was selling earrings, and every pair I sold I popped in a little bag like this, so it was ready for them to gift at their end. I hope this was helpful. Do follow along for more simple, easy, fun crafts, and I'll see you again soon.